How am I supposed to do that and help you in this at the same time?
Minerva has to pack.
Wonka says, bring me to the Philippines.
We are
Oh my gosh.
close to just 1 hour before we get picked up by Jacob, my friend, who's going to take us to the airport.
Thank you, Jacob.
And I haven't packed yet. Minerva's right here helping me pack. T minus 15 minutes.
Your mask go.
Oh yeah. Oh man. Forgot. Almost forgot my snorkel. So I don't have room for this now. Hey, Jason, you gonna be okay while we're gone?
Yep.
Where am I gonna put my snorkel?
I have been up for 24 hours now.
Uber is here.
Hey Jacob!
Hey.
Here.
That make on the front.